Hey, what's up, guys? This is Brett. I have had a few questions over this last, I want to say about 7 months now. If I'm still using the Glock 19X for my EDC, and if I'm still using that last concealed carry Kydex holster I was using. The question to both of those is yes, I am. I still use the Glock 19X every day for my concealed carry. It's been perfectly awesome for me. I love it, and I still use the Kydex holster. Probably won't focus all the way, but this thing still has zero scuff marks, scratches. I do wear it in the appendix carry, scratch against belts. I've dropped it a few times, not with the gun in the holster, but I've dropped just the Kydex holster on gravel, all kinds of crazy shit. It still looks perfect. I am so glad I've spent the money on this thing. This is probably the company I'm going to stay with for all my needs for holsters, and I'm going to get a laser soon to put in. I'm gonna get a laser to put on the handgun itself, but I'm gonna need a new holster, so I'm definitely gonna have to buy another one. But I have no problem spending the money on this holster because it's just been the best thing ever. But that's just a quick update for everybody that wanted to know. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to that shit, man. Don't worry. Peace, man.